I have a garlic and onion sensitivity. In general, I think a lot of people have a hard time digesting onions and garlics. But for me, it just makes me really bloated. And I love hummus, and everybody puts garlic or onions or both in hummus. I guess mostly garlic. So I'm gonna make my own. Just went on the old Pinterest and found a recipe. So first ingredient is tahini. A friend of mine also said that it's great for your own salad dressings. So I've never bought this before. I've eaten it. I'm excited to own it. Unsalted tahini from Sprouts. Okay. Now we need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Boom, boom. Now, let's see if I can do this without making a mess. 1/3 cup tahini. Do not suggest eating that plain. If I want to take it to the next level, I can grow my own and do sprouted, but let's start with the canned, see how it goes. I think I could have more lemon.